the thirstiest time of the year.
Did that actually? Oh, it's already clicked.
Oh my god, I love making fun of men.
That's so funny. We're on a time crunch. Pretend it's Alex. Sorry. I have that. It's just words, you know.
Go ahead, hit record. Damn it.
That ruckus.
What now? Cut.
Can't really solve a case. I fucked it up. Can't really remember the line. From fuck. Medigo Rama. Okay, great.
Nice.
Dang it!
As I
Invited, showed up, and
this is an important piece of evidence. Sorry, I was gonna think something like that.
You can't.
Say it.
What?
what?
Can't be making money now. This is scene 7. Mitch was just showing me his new car. Go on. Perfect. Did you know 15% more? I don't think that's a medium. Did you?
I didn't do that.
Shoot, I have to redo that. I looked at the camera instead of you. I'm such an amateur. Yeah, get it together.
I'll go. Hello everyone. Why would you laugh at that?
Hello.
Hello. Ben is mega mind.
Hello.
Hello. It's hello.
Olo.
Hello.
Well, I'm the man. I'm the man.
I'm the man.
There's a customer that invited me back because I impressed her so much. I can't
it.
believe you interrupted my
Okay.
take. Well, I'm. Oh my god.
Good, good.
I start speaking and then I forget the line. Well, I'm the mystic. Okay. Don't laugh at me. Do you dare laugh? I'm not. Okay.
Miss G has to use the restroom. Oh, I'm kidding.
Oh my god.
Now you.
By the fireplace.
No, Ben is by the fire.
Did I put my note down wrong?
It's cool.
Damn it. I'm not a good assistant, guys.
My psychic juices are running low. You know? You bitch! You!
I heard juices.
Oh my god, I know you well.
Oh shit, he got him.
Oh shit. And now.
Greetings. Salutations. Salutations, fellow murder suspects. Oh, I'm Automaton.
And I need a drink. Oh my god.
I need a drink.
Psychic juices are running low. You know?
Oh shit, I fucked up the camera.
You know, I predicted that something bad would.
Now look at Ben, who is standing up. No, not like that.
Big hide because I helped her that fucking
Oh my god.
movie. Fuck!
I was hired by Medical
Hired.
to help out.
I look. Shut up. Okay.
Do that again, but look up at his eyes.
Oh. Yeah, like this is like where he is. for
Yeah,
this.
that is
Okay.
actually where he is for this.
Okay.
Sorry, I didn't make that clear. Alright, do that line one more time.
I thought you were just like standing.
Just
Okay.
Can you ask me if I'll be affected?
No, ask them.
Ask them.
Yeah.
What did I say?
Can you ask them?
Ask them,
As
okay,
in the
yeah,
cards.
yeah.
It is a 6 solid. Fuck.
Nice.
Well, you really shouldn't have brought a gun, but whatever.
Say that one more time. I spoke over you and then me
That's
too.
okay, that's okay.
Ready?
I know. Oh my god.
Yeah. Don't react to me. React only to her.
Hey, how are you doing?
Oh, I'm good, I guess.
Fuck.
You good?
What happened? One. All right. You always. I didn't hear easy.
Oh.
It wasn't all. We'll take it. We'll take it slowly. All right, ready? And waiting for Sydney. That is the worst spot you could have gone, but it's okay. Sydney's making several cameos. Ready? And. Alright, we'll use that one. One more time.
Well, in this case, it does.
One more time.
I think we should use that take.
One more time.
Damn it.
Or if you say the line how it's written, just a friend supporting another fired.
Just another friend supporting another fired. Yes.
One more time.
Yeah. About anything else?
You say, that's all I need from you. How do you know Robert?
Send it to your sister.
Bang!
Pardon me.
It's locked! Over here. Go over here. Can you take the rubber chicken and chuck it off here? Chuck it this way. Alright, ready? Get set, get set. Action and pop! No. Pop! What's that? Damn it! 3, 2, 1. What the? Oh my god! What was that? Oh, we're not gonna pop. No, I'm not.
How long we were going for? Why on earth did you bring a gun to my party? Sorry, that was. It's like.
No, that's okay. That's okay.
I was starting to smile.
You just sort of.
I fizzle out.
You do. Because he actually doesn't take it out.
I in game it. I just like disassociate.
Go. No, you don't follow me back. Sorry. Do it one more time. Don't hit. Adam! Like that. Almost. You don't have to mimic what they're doing. Adam! Alright, ready?
Real. There was this bird that was in the army. I had to give it a warning shot.
It should fall all the way down going.
Okay.
Yeah.
There was this bird that was in the army. I had to give it a warning shot.
It did squeaky!
Bird that was in the army. I had to give it a warning shot.
Great.
That's literally the worst thing you could do in this situation right now.
What are you doing, you buffoon? What are we doing? Do that one more time.
Guys, could we possibly discuss this inside?
Yeah, it's cold as nuts out here.
Why did you laugh?
Because I looked at the camera.
Thanks.
You okay?
That's our director! Reece Moseley!
Rough estimate?
I thought you were genuinely asking me a question. I was like, huh?
And action.
Greetings. My name is James, but you can call me Bond. I'm here to assist in the investigation this evening with Elliot. May I have a word outside, Elliot?
You want to do that?
It's also been a while, and also don't talk.
This is scene
Yeah, you can't even look her way when you're in a room with her.
That's right.
You can't even look around.
Scene 30.
That we're trying to hide. That's like tradesies.
Tradesies!
Tradesies!
Here, how about this?
My contact went dry.
Ooh.
Fuck you, fuck you. I had so many bitches.
Stop lying to yourself.
I'm not lying. I've never lied a day in my life. Fuck you. Why did you laugh? Name one thing I've lied about. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. I get so many bitches. I get bitches upon bitches. Like, I fuck her every day. Yes, I bark every day. What was that reaction?
Tell us.
What?
I would never bark for anybody.
I bark.
Bark for me.
What? Oh, I'm a Go Dogs UGA. That's where the 12% is. By the end of my UGA career, it's 100.
Oh my god.
Fucking die.
What are you doing?
They played a funny dumb.
I actually kind of like that character. They played like a funny.
Wanna try it again? There was some typing in the background.
Anna, shut.
Alright. Into your room and open the door and walk out. Oh shit. Action. Action. This is scene 44.3, take 1. I think I caught the tail end of that on recording.
We are on the island of misfit toys.
Copyright. Copyright.
And then they would then close what? And they would then and then
We can't afford mistakes. Someone's been murdered.
Maybe not that much.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! OMG!
Oh my god, we have to start over because nobody's in shot behind you. 44.8, take 2. 46.1, take 1, Alex won't fail. Alright, here we go.
Yeah. So why don't we talk about Mitch's
Movie ends here. Bam. One more time.
Bang!
Maybe 2 more times. Alright.
They've been in there for a while.
It's not much of a surprise.
Do that one more time because I think my dad's laughing will be picked up.
Man, they're having a blast.
They've
in
been
there.
Feeling right now, the least you could do is show some respect, and you say
Sigma rule number 1.
We got some top G's in here.
Main, the living room.
she thinks she's allowed.
me. That's
No,
rude.
no,
Why are you so mean?
no, no, no.
I've been nothing but nice.
Go back to
It's fine. So, what about the secret underground business? I forgot what that word was for a second.
Doesn't have to share everything.
Sydney.
He doesn't have to share everything. No. No, I'm just speaking on your. That's the same kind of logic. You don't have to say it. Okay. We shouldn't make the same mistakes. What?
That's what I'm saying, man.
Movies teach us not to make the mistakes that characters make.
Movies teach us to not make the same mistakes that characters make.
Is the camera filming? Yeah, of course it is.
Yeah, she's ready.
Go. Okay, Reece said I wasn't ready. When I say go, go. You got it? Newton destroyed my life.
You know.
Alright, here we go.
Such as stealing my gun.
So stupid.
I'm
a good number of people that don't think that's funny.
Yeah, there's
And
gonna be
they're
so
gonna
many
be
people
like,
that
well,
just
diminishes
like.
the movie, but I don't care.
Yes, which is why it's so obvious that it.
Which is why they.
Yes, which is.
Why they leave it out for.
Yes, it's not obvious. So obvious that it's a misdirection that the yes, which is why it was why they left it out for us to find. It's a
It's so obvious.
It's so obvious it's a misdirection that it's a red herring turned Swedish fish.
Yes.
Woo!
Woo!
No, not yet. This is scene. So keep looking at him. Don't look forward. Just keep looking at him because all he says is "do what," and you go, "That? Why did you reveal that? I'm not the murdering type. I didn't do it. Why cast suspicion on me?" So,
Is that what my line is?
no, you will say
Run-on sentence as something.
as me.
Hang on.
Yeah, I'll let it finish. If you took
Garage.
cool, do that one more time. Okay.
Oh my
Just one more time.
That's cliche.
Anyone go with you? No.
No. No. No.
No. Did anyone? Where were you? Oh, trust me, he didn't do it. You.
Oh. Shit. Yes. Fuck. Excuse me?
That seems out of character. Oh, you were still gone.
I'm a middle.
Middle
age. Not middle age. No. Yeah. That.
Say that one more time.
Hey. I forgot the line I say after.
And you say, "Oh shoot, that's not good."
Oh shoot, that's not good.
Don't shake it that much. What are you doing?
You almost finished it. Calm down.
Did you drive it?
You fucking finished it. You. Okay. In this next shot, when he says, "Oh sweet, did you drive it here?" I want you to grab the picture. All right, ready? This is the best B plot. All right, ready? And
Wait, what did you say?
you say, "Oh sweet, did you drive it here?" And take your time so she has enough time to grab the picture.
Okay.
All right, ready? All right, get into character and.
Oh sweet, did you drive it here?
Alright, for that back line is yeah, just give me a second, the quarter's almost over. Alright, ready? Action.
Yeah, just give me a second. The quarter's almost over.
Damn, you're an alcoholic!
What was it?
Pour a little bit back in. God damn. Holy shit.
You're an alcoholic! Holy
You have
Okay.
problems.
So now, when I say action, you're gonna. And. Oh my god. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit.
Okay, I know you're an alcoholic and you have drinking problems, but like, don't make it our problem.
Alright, ready? No, you can't drink it when I do the prop. Grab it and back up.
Gene,
Sit. I almost just called you Sydney.
do you want her to do a spit
Wow,
take?
that's a new low.
Yeah.
That's a really new low.
Sydney, no, stop it.
Down. City.
Stop it.
No,
Stop.
fucking do
Stop. Stop. Okay. Take 3.
Fuck. I got the tip of my finger.
Waiting.
Do I walk in with it already unfolded?
Yes.
Okay.
But you're not. No, I did write it down. Oh shoot. I have it written down. This is 62.7. Take 1. 72.1. 72.1, take one. Alright, ready? Get set. Get set. And... Sweet.
Wow. I hate you.
Why did you do that?
Do what?
You don't have to say your lines. You don't have to say your lines.
Okay, first off, ouch. Second off, no one is gonna change their opinion about you.
Do that one more time.
Okay, no, but I just...
Shut up! God dang it!
So unprofessional.
I hate you!
I hate you.
Stop it!
I hate you.
I hate you.
I hate you.
Yeah, don't answer. That was disgusting,
Gross.
Cameron.
I hate you.
I hate you.
Just, Was that funny?
Good, yes.
Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up.
Can you shout I slept with her real quick?
I slept with her!
That peaks. Okay, hold on. That. Why did you reveal it?
Sorry, I had to get up. I can't even hear it.
Oh! So, how did she make it up? He shouts, I slept with her, and you react like...
No.
That was me.
You sly dog.
Can you see my feet? In the shot?
Alright.
Let me change something real quick.
Oh shit, your bag! We're not hearing it turn. Take your time. Take your time opening that letter.
You told me to close them. Didn't close.
Hello?
Yeah, sorry.
What's going on?
Nothing.
Okay.
Is she still filming?
I don't know how to.
Berg, Ciarda,
Why did you not mute your phone?
It is mute. Oh, it's not! So, that only leaves...
Mitch.
Oh shit! I went too far! Shit! Wait, I've just practiced this shit! Hold on. Boom!
I guess
Only leaves.
I'm Mitch.
You got it, man. We'll make this.
That only leaves...
Mitch.
Okay, that's close enough.
What do you mean by that?
You laughed.
I missed the door.
Ready?
Oh, I could go like the Joker. I killed my wallet a few minutes ago.
Go. Of your fucking control. You've also unintentionally given me
Some curial or is it crucial?
Fuck!
I was so confused when I was practicing. I was like, just about to write down confessing your last secret.
If I do recall.
If I do recall.
If I do, truth will always surface. You say you don't know the truth.
You can't handle the truth!
So high for money is after you figured in front of you is, and you defiantly definitely and we'll use that to your advantage. Only other gun to get for this encounter. Now that we are to be Adams. Oh shit, that's not a voiceover. Here's a voiceover.
Window.
All dead. 64.1.
Okay, so wait. When you open it, I'm gonna open it up.
You're gonna open up in what?
Never mind, I answered my question.
You missed it.
Slid.
Fuck you. Just set it down. I don't give a shit.
No,
how you
I
set it down.
will get it. I will get it.
I don't care how
No,
you set
no,
it
we're.
down. Alex, I don't think it's gonna work. Sick.
Alright, oh, I have to hit record. Alright, I'm in a trunk.
Action!
It's too late.
It's a shame.
You're halfway.
Am I right?
Yeah, you're right.
He's taller than me! Oh my god, you're so much taller!
You're not.
You are right here.
Oh,
You
that's
just
so much taller!
Yeah. And action. Oh, you weren't ready. Okay.
It's just the posture.
Fridge before I forgot the second. Was that an action?
Oh my god.
No fuck. No F-bombs. Action.
Oh my god.
You ready? No. I was already. No, I believe that. Did you just look at the camera? This is scene 75.1 take 2, a different variation, and action.
Not there either!
Oh my god! Where is it? Mitch! Yes! That was beautiful!
No, yeah.
That was great. Wow, look at The least drunk out of all of you is Elliot. The most drunk, y'all can decide. Action! Damn it, Ghost!
God
Damn it, Ghost! One more time. Action! Action!
Oh my god, Reece, charge your camera!
Fuck!